Kia ora guys, so this is Lisa from the Tauranga City Library, and I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your computer. So in this case I'm using a Windows 10 computer, and I'm going to show you how you can customize it to make your cursor, which is your mouse pointer, bigger or smaller, how you can customize the text to make it bigger or smaller, just to make using your computer a little bit easier if you have poor vision or anything like that. So we'll go down to our magnifying glass down the bottom left hand side here. Mine's just down here. Yours will be somewhere similar. It should be next to the Windows icon. Yours might have a white box next to it, but either way, you're just looking for that magnifying glass symbol there. So we'll click on the magnifying glass symbol, and from here we want to look for our settings. So my settings are just here, but the easiest way for you to find these if yours aren't there is just to type in settings. And then you're looking for this one here, the settings app, which has that cog next to it there. So if we click on the settings app, that will bring up a window like this. And you're looking for an option that says ease of access. So here mine is here, ease of access. So if I click on this, this is where I can find the options to make my text bigger or smaller, and you've got some sample text here, so this is the default size. But if you wanted to, you could make it nice and big there, which would help a lot if you do struggle with your vision sometimes. There you go, so you can choose what size you want it to be, and then hit this apply button here. There's also the option to make everything bigger, so if you always want your screen to be zoomed in a little bit, you can change that to a higher percentage. You've got the option to make things brighter or darker to help with your eyes as well, and just some other options there too to customize those settings a little bit. So the main thing on here is your text size, and this is how you make it bigger or smaller. This is in the display option. So if yours doesn't look like this, you want to click on a button that says display, and that will bring up your text options here. Next thing we're going to look at is your mouse pointer. So underneath display, there's an option for mouse pointer. So we'll click on that one there, mouse pointer, and just like with the text, you've got a sliding bar here that you can use to make your text, your mouse pointer, your cursor, bigger or smaller. So you can make it nice and big if you want, and that will help you to see where your cursor is. Cool, so there's a few other options you can customize on here too. So you've got a magnifying glass, you've got color filters, and you've got options to change your contrast. You've also got a narrator option which will read any text on your screen as well. So just a few options that you can use to help customize your experience with your computer a little bit there. So definitely recommend adjusting that mouse pointer, making it a bit bigger, and also going into your text and maybe making that a little bit larger as well. Cool. Hopefully that was helpful. Any questions, give us a call here at the library.